Hi, I'm here to help you set up your Strong Mesh AX3000, whether it's a duo or trio pack, in less than 5 minutes. When you open the box, the first thing you should see will be the instructions. These are important, you'll need them later. And then depending whether you've got the duo or the trio, you'll have either 2 or 3 of these units. You'll have one Ethernet cable and you'll have 3 of these power supplies. Next, you're going to take the power supply and plug it into the back of the unit. Then switch the button on and make sure that you can see a green LED on the front. Then you need to take the Ethernet cable, plug it into the WAN port until you hear a click. This is now your master unit, and you're going to connect it to your existing Wi-Fi router using the Ethernet cable. Just plug it into any of these yellow ports as long as it doesn't say WAN until you hear a click. Once you've done that, a green flashing LED will appear. You need to wait till you've got 4 solid green LEDs before you can move on. This will take a few minutes, so just be patient. When it's ready to use, you'll see 4 solid green LEDs. If you don't, check your Ethernet cable. Next, you're going to come back to your master unit, press the WPS button on the back. The WPS light on the front will flash, and you need to wait till this is a solid green light. It'll take a good few minutes, so make sure you're patient. So to connect your extender units, also known as an agent, to your master units, all you need to do is find a suitable location in your home, plug the power supply in at the back, press the on button, and then you should see this green light flashing. Once this goes solid, you're ready to flip it back round, press and hold the WPS button for at least 3 seconds, and then you'll see on the front, the light starts flashing and you're ready to pair. You should now have 5 green solid lights on the front of your unit. This means the 2 units are connected. If for whatever reason you need to reset, you'll find the reset button on the back. Just take a ballpoint pen, push it in for at least 5 seconds. You'll then notice the LEDs on the front of the unit will change. So the last step is to connect all your devices to your new network. You'll find the Wi-Fi network name and password underneath your master unit. Once you've connected to the network, you can then download and install the Atrium Mesh app. It's free to monitor your home network, and there are loads of other helpful features on there too. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your new Strong products, and for more info, visit our website.